Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting in store for you. We're going to talk about tiny seeds that can work wonders for your health. Yes, you heard it right. Stay tuned as we explore how these little powerhouses can boost your overall well-being. You might be familiar with some common seeds, but have you tried these lesser-known ones? They might be tiny, but trust me, their health benefits are enormous. Chia seeds. Let's kick things off with chia seeds. These tiny marvels are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. They're like a nutritional punch in a small package. Want to know how to incorporate them into your diet? Stay with us. Here's a quick and delicious chia seed pudding recipe that will make you fall in love with these little superstars. But wait, there's more. We're just getting started. Next up, a seed that's often overlooked but deserves the spotlight. Hemp seeds. Now, let's talk about hemp seeds. These tiny seeds are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all essential amino acids. Plus, they're rich in omega-3s and have anti-inflammatory properties. Interested? Stick around for a tasty hemp seed smoothie recipe. This smoothie is not only delicious but also a fantastic way to add hemp seeds to your diet. Perfect for a quick and nutritious snack. Now that you've discovered the wonders of these tiny seeds, it's time to explore one more that might surprise you. Sunflower seeds. Last but certainly not least, sunflower seeds. These little gems are a fantastic source of vitamin E, magnesium, and selenium. Want a creative way to enjoy them? Stick around for a unique sunflower seed pesto recipe. You won't believe how tasty and versatile this pesto is. Get ready to elevate your dishes with a dash of sunflower seed goodness. And there you have it, folks. The incredible benefits of incorporating these tiny seeds into your diet. From chia to hemp to sunflower, the options are endless. Don't underestimate the power of these small wonders. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and remember, your health is an investment. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. Follow us on social media for more updates and behind-the-scenes action. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.